Hi, I'm Reshma Trivedi. I'm a coach with Fitter now. I'm married. I live with my in-laws, my husband and my son. So as a child, I've always been overweight. My struggle with weight started as early as 13 years old, and that time I probably was under medication for tuberculosis, so I did not take much action about it. I was active till my puberty maybe, and then suddenly the activity stopped. But study karo and then just eat. I started putting on weight and I was taller always, तो वो और ज़्यादा दिखता था. Heavy girl, overweight and heavy. उसमें से ही that the self-esteem goes down because your friends asking you कौन सी चक्की का आटा खाते हो, and you look so big. घर पे से चालू होता था to control the food, don't eat so much. So there was a camp in my college that I attended, and I really understood that my fitness level was really zero, and but that also did not affect me much. I was like कि ठीक है होगा, but it subconsciously आपके mind में वो होता ही रहता है, चलता रहता है that you're not fit, you're not looking good, you're not fit, you're not looking good. So it started from there and it continued till the age of 33. See, I faced postpartum depression and it took a toll on me. I was trying to balance the job, my son and family. Health was the last thing. After a year, I got slip disc. The doctor again asked me to lose weight, and I wanted to lose weight, but I did not know the right approach to go to or to follow. I was introduced to Fitter by my husband. I immediately got into the Facebook page of Fitter. What you're supposed to have, how much you're supposed to have. There was a person constantly helping someone with the queries. I went through the coaches, who are they and what have they done. So I finalized Hani Kumar as my coach. She told me the importance of gym. So my weight loss journey has been of initial 9 to 10 months. I lost around 27 kgs, and I gradually fell in love with weight training. It's very rewarding to be a part of Fitter. But then I always knew that the maintenance phase is as important as losing weight. Now to implement all the learnings that I was learning through INFS course to my house, because you really can't just grow alone. My mother-in-law got an arthritis attack and she was barely able to move. She was asked to lose weight, and that is when I thought I should put my knowledge to use.
Weight loss करने के लिए motivate किया और काफ़ी help भी की मुझे, because of her only मैं इतना वेट कम कर सकी हूँ. तो एट द एज ऑफ 70, if I can do everything, you can also do it.
When a woman gets fit, she also makes people around her fitter. As women, we are constantly under stress and guilt that we are not enough. We are constantly struggling and trying to manage and find a balance, and in that process we always try to find the me time. I think that we should make the me time as our fitness. You just have to make up your mind. Your journey starts at that moment. You can be enough if you are enough for yourself.